Yes, I saved money when I was young. I had a piggy bank that my parents gave to me to save money. I always use a small amount from my pocket money and put the rest of the money in my piggy bank. Yes, sometimes I have other children by giving them money, but I got the money back after sometimes. Yes, saving money is a good habit, so parents should teach children to save money, and for that, parents should set the example in front of children because most children copy their parents' footsteps. So, if parents save money, then children automatically learn this habit. Well, it is the individual's choice. Some people save money for small items such as laptops, phones, and clothes, but some people save money to buy luxuries such as car or house. Some people cannot save money because they want to immediately fulfill their ambitions or say they do not have any future planning or dreams. They live in the present and do not want to save money for the future.